Hey there, Syncplicity Customer Success back with another how-to video. Today we're going to go over policy and policy sets. So first and foremost, let's log in with our Syncplicity credentials. And my landing page is actually already the policies tab, but if yours is not, please go ahead and navigate here directly to the policies tab. First and foremost, you will see that there is a default policy set already preloaded here. This policy set is loaded into all Syncplicity subscriptions. You're able to edit it as you see fit, rename it as you see fit. We're just going to keep it there for now just to know we have it. So let's go ahead and create a new one though, because that's what we're trying to accomplish today. And we'll go ahead and click Create Policy Set. Now the policy set does require a name. So for this exercise, we are going to apply these policies to the accounting team. And that's exactly what we'll name it, is the accounting policy set. So we can go ahead and hit next. Now here it's asking if we want to copy an existing policy set to this new one. Because I only have one, the default policy set, that's the one I will be using as a template, if you will, for this new policy set. When I am done with this new one, and it's called accounting policy set, and I go to create another policy set, I will then be able to choose from not only the default, but the accounting policy set because I've created another one. But since I don't have another one, we're just going to use the default policy set as our template and hit next. And now here it's going to give you all the policies you're able to modify. Now I'm going to click expand all, and we're not going to go through all of these. You're more than welcome to do that when you do have a free minute. But once I expand all of these, you'll see you can get pretty granular with respect to how you manage these users within the group that you're applying the policy set to. As I'm scrolling, as you can see, there's a lot of options here. Feel free to play around with these. And whatever works best for you and your organization is what'll, be applied here. But we'll go through all of these, click what we want, and we'll just go ahead and click next. Now here, because we're creating a new policy set for the accounting team, it's asking us which group we'd like to assign these policies to. And because it's the accounting team, we're going to assign them to the accounting group. And you'll see here it's auto-populating for my accounting group. Again, just like our last video, if you wanted to add groups, because you have so many to this specific policy set, you would just click this link right here, and it'll pull up a list of all your groups within Syncplicity to select them and add them here. But for this exercise, we're just applying the policy set to the accounting group. So we're all set here, and we can hit next. And then lastly, it's going to give us an option to set a priority for these policy sets. This is not necessarily very important. If I'm being totally honest, your default policy set should probably be priority number one because obviously your accounting policy set is only applying to the accounting group currently, and there's no need for any priority. But if you do want to, mess with the priority, feel free to do that here. Move one up and down. You can go ahead and do that. But we're all set, so we're going to go ahead and click finish. And we get the confirmation that the policy set was successfully created. Let's go back and hit the policies tab just to double check. And sure enough, there it is our accounting policy set. So that's pretty much how you do it, folks. Not too difficult. Looking forward to our next video. Take care.